Right now I have peanuts here. We all know we love peanuts, singdana, roasted peanuts or chicky, and of course peanut butter. But store-bought peanut butter is very expensive and it has lots of chemicals like flavoring agents, emulsifiers and preservatives. So today I am going to show you a very simple recipe of peanut butter. For making peanut butter we need peanuts. These are raw peanuts. We roasted on a slow flame, and these are the roasted peanuts, and we peeled it afterwards, then cooled down completely. And next thing we need is 1 tablespoon of course peanut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of what can I say, it's vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt. Now let's get started. In between, let's check this. Now this becomes little coarse powder. Let's give it a nice grind again for a little time. After 2 to 3 minutes of grinding, the mixture becomes little bit paste like. Just see, it releases oil, and this is little bit coarse. I like little coarse mixture. If you like little bit paste or smooth mixture, you can grind it little more, but I like it this way. So now this should be going to the consistency. Now we're going to add our other ingredients and mix them well. 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon peanut oil, refined peanut oil, and a pinch of salt. Now we have to grind them again for a while so that all the ingredients get mixed well. So let's start. See, now our peanut butter is ready. Let's transfer it into a, see the consistency, spreading, it's spreading consistency. This is the perfect consistency which we need for a peanut butter. Let's transfer it into a bowl. Now I am going to show you how evenly it spreads on bread slice. Let me show you. Make cupcakes. You can use it in your icing. So this is how bread looks. You can enjoy it. Those who are on weight management, they can also enjoy it very well without any guilt. Nutrition, and it's yummy too. Thank you so much. Please try this recipe and let me know your opinions and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.